What is your son's name and age?
My son's name is Luke, and he is 7 years old.
How old was he when he was diagnosed with autism?
He was first diagnosed when he was 3 years old, but there were symptoms way before he turned 1.
What early signs did you see in Luke?
He was unable to make eye contact with anyone, not even me as his mom, and he wasn't able to crawl or walk at the age he was supposed to.
What were you first feeling when you heard about his diagnosis?
It was grief, because I thought about the life that he was not going to be able to have compared to other children his age.
How has this impacted his early life into school life?
He has had to go through therapy since he was 1 year old. He's had to work 3 times as harder as other children. He's had to do additional schooling after his school, and it's exhausted him emotionally and physically.
Yellow, red, orange, yellow.